Howdy.
The hat.
Howdy.
The voice.
Oh, really?
There's EastEnders actors at work right now. You want this or not?
Howdy. We commissioned Smok to come up with something new, different and exciting. So here it is, the leather effect cowboy gator kit.
Actually, just leave the voice.
It has a digital display in the top, it's high powered at 225 watts and it takes 2 lithium 18650 batteries. Our normal price is £79 due to there only being 500 of these on the planet, but we've got a special going for the first 100 customers. So here's the offer, it's gonna make your day. We're doing the Gator mod half price at £39 and we're also throwing in the Smok Big Baby Tank for free. You'll have to be the fastest hand on the web to get this deal. The first 100 customers get it for £39. Please note that batteries are sold separately. So why don't you all mosey on down to www.refuelstation.online. Are we done?
The dance.
I don't want to do the dance.
Do the dance.